Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. PM Imran due in Lahore today to inaugurate housing mega projects. Prime Minister Imran Khan will pay a day-long visit to Lahore today where he will inaugurate housing and other mega projects. Pakistan vaccinates over 200,000 people in a day. In a positive sign, the number of registrations for the coronavirus vaccine have been increasing significantly as over 200,000 people got vaccinated against the virus on Tuesday, said Federal Minister for Planning and Development Asad Umar. Saudi Arabia announces Eid holidays. According to the Ministry of Human Resources and Social Development, the public sector employee would enjoy an 11-day holiday on account of Eid al-Fitr. However, the Eid holidays for the private sector employees will last 4 days. US backs giving poorer countries access to COVID-19 vaccine, patents reversing stance. US President Joe Biden threw his support behind waiving intellectual property rights for COVID-19 vaccines, bowing to mounting pressure from Democratic lawmakers and more than 100 other countries, but angry pharmaceutical companies. India to take back illegal migrants from UK in return for 3,000 visas. Britain and India signed an accord on migration and mobility, as Indian Foreign Ministry officials said, as they look to deepen economic and cultural and other ties following the UK's departure from the European Union. China to suspend economic dialogue mechanism with Australia. China's state economic planner said on Thursday it has indefinitely suspended all activities under the China-Australia Strategic Economic Dialogue amid strained relations between Beijing and Canberra. More than 700 killed in Myanmar since February 1st coup. More than 700 people have been killed ever since the demonstration began against the February 1st military coup. Senior Kashmiri leader Ashraf Sahrai dies in police custody in India-occupied Kashmir. Senior Kashmiri leader Mohammad Ashraf Sahrai, who challenged India's rule over occupied Kashmir for decades, died on Wednesday while in police custody. He was 78. Denmark ditches J&J COVID-19 shots from vaccination program. Denmark became the first country to exclude Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 shots from its vaccination program over a potential link to a rare but serious form of blood clot. World condemns violence in Colombia clashes. The United States, European Union, United Nations and other rights bodies condemn violence that is taking place in Colombia, where reportedly 19 have been killed during the recent anti-government protests. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.